We will guide you through how to make account on Weverse app. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, unlock your smartphone and connect it to a stable internet connection before starting. Open the Weverse app on your Android or iPhone. Then wait for the Weverse welcome or login screen to load completely. Look for the sign up or create account option on the screen. Tap sign up to begin creating your new Weverse account. Next, choose your preferred registration method, such as email or an available social login option. For this video, we will be choosing the Google account option. Select the Google account that you want to use for your new Weverse account. After selecting your account, a new tab will appear. Select the city and region where you live, then press the next button to continue. A consent to the terms of use page will appear. Review the available terms carefully, then select agree to all if you want to accept everything, or uncheck the consent option for receiving marketing information if you prefer not to receive promotional messages. After checking the terms of service page and making your selections, press the sign up now button. Wait for Weverse to process your registration information and create the account. If Weverse asks for permission to access something on your device, review the request and press the OK button to continue. Next, select your preferred language from the available language options and press the OK button to apply your selection. After that, browse the available artist communities and choose the artist you want to follow. Finally, check the Weverse home screen and profile area to make sure your account information is available and your selected preferences have been applied correctly. Confirm that your Weverse account has been successfully created and is ready to use. Keep your Google account accessible because it may be needed when you sign into Weverse again.